Welcome back guys, GTS Garage. Today we're going to do absolutely nothing. Once again I have to apologise up front for not making as many videos as I was before. The reason that is because the sun is out and the missus and I tend to do quite a lot during our weekends. That means time in the garage is at a premium, and as anybody that creates videos knows, that you probably spend twice as much time videoing it and editing it than you do actually doing the job. So I've not been doing that side of it and just been concentrating on getting in and out as quickly as I possibly can. Doesn't make for interesting content, I agree. Project bike, or I should say now the daily commute, is absolutely fantastic. Everything that was going to rattle loose has now rattled loose, put it back on securely, and I'm having a whale of a time on it. She is cracking, so I'm using that now on a daily basis. I probably do about 30 to 40 miles each time. And she's proven to be very reliable, absolutely rock solid. And just if she had a little bit more power, it'd be fantastic. But she is a 600, and I appreciate that she's a 600, and she's got a lump me about. So the next bike, and I know I said I want to do the trike, and I still do want to do the trike. My mind's kind of in 2 or 3 directions at the moment. The trike I'm going to need, it's not going to be an off the build, it's not going to be a complete build on the trike, because the process surrounding getting a trike built and then registered for the road is a long one. So actually what I want to do is actually get a pre-registered trike that doesn't need that much to do with it, and then I can just finish it off, use it, then next year I can strip it down and get everything done as it needs to be. So that is still the project and the destination for the channel. I also would like to do another version of the 600, but I'd like to do it with the Bandit engine. So I don't know how that's going to work in. Welding is going well, welding is fantastic. These are 60-13 welds, I'm hoping you can see that. If I shine it on the light you may get a better view of that one. There you go. So I'm running lots of beads, basically practice every night. I've done 60-10, which I found too coarse or too harsh a flame. That's 60-13. I've now just bought 5 kilos of 70-18. Other than the restrike problem, I'm expecting that to be a lot smoother and a lot cleaner. And then what I'll do is I'll grind all that back, chop it up into form, start with fillet welds or filler welds, and start my lapping welds. And that's where the practice will take now. This weekend we're away at the Gig of the Green in Yateley, which is fantastic, so we're going to take a ride over there. And that will be where this video kind of ends up. So the next couple of clips are going to be that. Apologies again, I've not been making lots of garage videos, but it will continue. There is still lots of stuff to do. I have started putting links. I've become an Amazon affiliate. Okay, so I've become an Amazon affiliate just to basically bring in some revenue to the channel. Don't get a whole lot through YouTube. Lots of people have said exactly the same thing, and I've tried not to go down this route, and I have fully embraced this route, but I've tried to hold off for as long as possible. So what I would like to do is start upgrading a few things, such as the camera equipment, to make this content. Now, I fully appreciate, you know, at the end of the day, I'm 50-50 on it myself. I patron a couple of people, but it doesn't sit well with me. It doesn't sit well with me. So what I'm going to do is I have got a Patreon site. I've also got some affiliate links, so Amazon affiliate links. So anything that I have in here, I'll be putting links below. If you click on a link, if you are in the market to purchase something on Amazon, if you click the link, any of the links, and then browse to something of your choice, Amazon give me a tiny little percentage of that. Doesn't increase the cost to you, but because you've gone through my channel, I end up with a little bit of revenue. If you purchase one of the products that I link, I get a larger percentage. Again, doesn't affect the price directly to you, but they give me a little bit of money as well. So if you can, please do. It would always be appreciated. You take it easy, you ride safe, on with Gig of the Green.
matters to me. So come on, see the light on your face. Let it shine, just let it shine. Shine. It's time for you to die. Come grab yourself an alibi. Heaven knows you're alive. Moonshine.